So with the unofficial start of summer this weekend, now is the time to add light to those closets and possibly look at installing new automatic LED lights. And for that, we are joined by Mr. Sparky, Rusty Wise from Mr. Sparky. Hello and welcome. And we're talking about automatic LED lighting to your closets. It makes a big difference.
Yes, thanks for having me. LED lighting, I just did it at my home, and like this light right here, it's a fluorescent LED, has a 360-degree motion sensor. So when you walk in front of this or open up your closet door, it automatically comes on. And it sounds like, oh, I wouldn't need that, but once you have this, you'll love it. Even like for a laundry room, you got an armful of clothes,
yes,
and it automatically comes on. In any room that you're in and out a lot, that you don't want to have to keep it on a long time, this is a lifesaver.
You talk about a really convenience for somebody who's getting real busy and you need to see, because oftentimes even at night you're walking in there and you have no idea, and you're bumping around.
You can put these, we can install these in any room. They'll automatically come on, and then after about a minute they go off. And you know, you don't have to worry about a light switch or anything. It's great. You wouldn't think they would come in handy, but they really, really do.
Okay, now we're talking about some of the unofficial start. Let's talk about pool safety and docks and water and things about that nature here. What did you bring to go ahead and make us safe during this time?
Well, Memorial Day coming up, everybody's opening up their pools and docks. And I brought this sensor here, and what this does, we use this, and we put this in the water to check for stray voltages. There's a lot of stray voltages in pools and docks, and there's currents running through the water that we don't even know about. It's called ESDs, electric shock drownings. There'll be many people die this year.
Is that common?
It's getting more common because we're energizing. We're putting more electricity around lakes now, especially docks. Everybody's got a boat. They're getting motorized lifts. And people dive off a dock or dive off a boat, and they say, oh, he was a good swimmer, never came back up. It's because it takes less than 10 milliamps to paralyze your body.
Wow.
And it's happening, and of course in society we have to kill a lot of people before we do anything.
So this device right here will alert you if there's too much voltage in the water?
Yes, we'll throw this in the water, and it's a buoy, and we pull it around and make sure you don't have any stray voltages. We find stray voltages around docks, pools. It's a really issue, and the more electricity we put around bodies of water, the more people are going to be subject to that.
And so these can also be for your swimming pools too?
Yeah, swimming pools, fountains, koi ponds, anything that has a body of water. You know, electricity and water does not mix.
It doesn't mix at all.
Now, salt water is not as bad because salt water is very conductive. Fresh water, you're the conductor. So if you feel something tingling, or if you just don't feel right, a lot of times it's stray voltages in water and lakes.
Wow. What else do you guys offer too? I mean, you offer a large range of things. What other things do you offer at Mr. Sparky?
We're a full service electrical contractor. We have generators, we have surge protection, especially this time of year. Cherryville just got hit with a microburst, so we supply generators and that sort of thing. And we do a full spectrum of electrical services. We're 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're your one-stop shop for electrical service. Anything electrical for your home or business.
So what does someone have to do? They make an appointment with you? What happens?
MrSparkyCharlotte.com. You can call us, Google us. We have dispatchers on standby. We'll get out there and get you taken care of.
And all of the people that you hired, they're trained professionals to go ahead and do the work inside your home?
Yes, yes. We have licensed electricians, we have apprentices, but yeah, we have a team, we call it the Red Army, that we go out and can service anything, or especially what happened in Cherryville, a major disaster. We have about 20 trucks there, this week.
And you have a tagline that says, no more malarkey.
No more malarkey, call Mr. Sparky.
Call Mr. Sparky.
No malarkey,
all right.
Call Sparky.
Well, thank you very much for being here indeed, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for having us.